Let Mommy help you get unstuck.
And this one. And this one, Mommy, and this
Well,
one.
who's that one for? That's to Mommy. Let's find one to Thomas. Here's one for Thomas from Grandma.
Here we go, Mommy. Here's this one.
Oh, Mommy will open this.
That one's mine. I put that in the box.
Yes. Very good. Let's see. Mommy help you get that out.
And there are stars. And there are silver.
It is